I'm trying to open my Corona and it's being stubborn now.
And this is special because
it collapses into a portable machine. There we go. Okay. Let's get it back where it belongs. There. So then you could just tuck it under your arm and carry it. It makes it very unique.
And tell me again where you got this from?
It was given to me. It just showed up one day, like everything else. It's like 1936. Yeah.
And we need to hear about your shirt, Jim.
My wife Kathy made this for me. I don't know where she got the material, but she sewed it and put buttons on it. And these are not typewriter keys, I promise. These are actual little pictures of typewriters. Putting typewriter keys on jewelry is like, well, it's not nice.
That's not what you would want your
It's not what I would want to have happen to any of my typewriters. You're like amputating a foot.